I told you a long time ago, you fucking little monkey, not to fuck me.
Hey, who the fuck do you think you go for, huh? Who the fuck do you think I am, you fucking cowboy? You wanna go to war?
For the half a mil, real y'all, taking you on another one. Julio Iglesias, make it cream like that nigga.
Like a naughty nigga, you know what I'm saying? It be that nigga Slash coming for a Chink Malik gas, chop his head off, you know what I'm saying? Said it's not a game, Malik. I catch your ass, I'ma find you shirts real hard and fast with the rescue team. The shirts for the last, for the orange jumpsuit, you know what I'm saying, son? It's that shit, you know what I'm saying? That shit Tank Malik don't be knowing, don't be showing, yeah, his hair's still growing, but I got some clippers, throw them shits at him, like this, bang, you know what I'm saying? Fuck that stuff, it's just not real, man. Brown Willis, Bruce Willis, I come to kill you. Take your ass by the fucking ground zero and lay you there like there's a body from before 9/11. Yeah, I remember by the store when you hopped out that cab and almost fell, nigga. I helped you. You know what I'm saying? You remember that day? Came out stumbling. I said, yo, what's good, son? You know what I mean? Just like that. I hit it back, spit it back on some, just spit it out, you know what I'm saying? Spit it out, get it out. Bloomberg, you know you never lift it out the way we do. How the way we roll. Motherfucker, every time beef came, your ass fall went under somewhere. You went over there. Said, yo, Slash Dread, I wasn't even over here when that shit popped off. Cause you know you wouldn't have held shit down. Anyway, nigga, yeah, I see you, frown. I see you, nigga. Know what I'm saying? Heavy, real heavy. Can't fuck with it, Malik. Chris Ice Tea today, know what I mean? No Mountain Dew. No. Know what I'm saying, son? Know what I'm saying? That's how I go. Break your ass down all in the row. Hit your chin. This is not a game, Malik. That's all you know. You don't need to know. You already know. Know what I'm saying? I smoke it down to the Nudiville. Brownsville, yeah, we keep it real. I smoke it down to the Nudiville, Brownsville, yeah, we keep it real. I smoke it down to the Nudiville, Brownsville, yeah, we keep it real, I smoke it down to the Nudiville, you know what I'm saying? Tonight be that night, Tank Malik, he gonna lose his fucking stripes. Yeah, tonight be that night where Tank Malik, he gonna lose his fucking stripes. Yeah, nigga, cause tonight be the night. Chink Malik, he gonna lose them stripes. Stripes he ain't even got, he thought he had. I'ma take his ass, smack him with the fucking bag of nickels in his face and catch a case. Cause he gonna tell the nigga never stay in this place. You know what I'm saying? Never stay in this place. Niggas are on the script. We got 7 stacks large coming in from Lil Jose. And slinging yay on the 4th in the hallway. We got the fiends back to back like they loving our fix. They really loving our fix. Plus some leak in the crib, he all tired and stressed. About to plug in. Yo, he know niggas had the baddest unit in the fucking days, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. We got 7 stacks large, you know what I'm saying? We got 7 stacks large. We got 7 stacks large coming in from Lil Jose. He's slinging yet on the 4th in the hallway. We got them things back to back like they passing out checks. Plus they loving our face, they really loving our face. Plus Malik in the crib, all tied and stripped. He gon' call Mr. Officer and making the press. Telling them hoods on the block with that sour neck. And when the boys come through, we gon' break Malik neck. Cause he did it for a fast check, for a small check. Just to snip his head off, I guess to sniff it off check. Sniff it off.
What you think I am, huh? What you think I am? Fucking
You
rap like you?
Ghostface,
I told you, right?
Criminality Part 2.
Don't fuck with me. I told you.
Let's get into this shit. Come on.
Nah, but you wouldn't listen. Right, you stupid fuck. Look at you now.
I got sure you handle it. You know what time it is.
You can catch me anywhere. Frostbitten chain, bad dame 1,000 grams in Delaware. The smoke shops is ours, laid back, hanging niggas to death. Words you can call us coke racks with giants all around me like Eli Manning. The bitches on the block like he died scrambling. Cazell frames is cracked, popped out. Neither one of his eyes can come back home, they locked out. All he did was re-up, hustle for kick money. Kept bees all around him thinking he shit honey. Bow, I'm in the bobsleds, wasting large bread. Gucci helmet is blue, trimming is dark red. The rap, TJ Swan, it's me, A-Son. If he don't spin my shit, break the DJ arm and glide off like an escapade. Renegade on ice, lemonade Clark, the haze is nice. The Goldilocks rock sapphire chain is right. Bitch niggas, y'all watch what y'all saying, y'all might, sucker.
Hold up. This shit bring back memories. Back in the days when we used to be on some G20 shit. My nigga Dave, Butter B. My man Easy E, what up? Come on. DJ Mighty K, the Countdown 49.
Much love go to New York City, the home